Mommy, good morning. Good morning. How are you? You good? Is everything all right? Yes. Okay.
Except I'm there, we're going.
Mommy, good morning. Mommy, please. Mommy. Mommy, sit down. We want to tell you something. Mommy. Mommy, we want to tell you something.
That's all right, Abby.
Jumoke and all of us want to tell you.
You want to tell what?
Papa, our teacher said we should bring foodstuffs for the motherless babies who are suffering seriously.
Yes, sir. They said it's World Motherless Babies Day. Mami, me I will take rice. Feyi will take beans. Ola will take rice again, and Shaki will take yam. Abi. Mami, all those children, they are suffering, no? They really suffer. They cry seriously for lack of food.
And since we have a store full of food, we should give them small.
Give this to mommy in the kitchen.
Thank you,
Give the mommy in the kitchen.
People, they don't have any place to stay. They dump them in the dustbin. They don't have any home.
Yes, Mom.
There's nobody to love them, nobody to take care of them.
Mommy, we have to help them. If not, they will die. They will die.
She will die.
Yes, yes. Yes. Look. Wait, today is not Monday, so I am not entertaining any more requests. You hear me now?
Bami, this request cannot wait till next week Monday, sir.
Why?
Practical, Bami.
Which practical? Biology.
No, Bami, it's not only biology. There is physics, chemistry, geography, and government.
Bolaji.
Sir.
Is that true?
Bami, Bolaji is not in our class.
Yes.
Alright, go and give your request to my PA.
Bami, not only that, sir. My principal beat me yesterday because of my textbooks. Stone and cousin, practical biology, additional geography.
Where did he beat you? Let me see. Where?
Here, Bami.
Go and give my PA your request.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bami. Thank you.
Open the door.
Are you children not eating? Not even you, Ali.
Yes, so we solidarize with disturbing children of the world.
Sude, what of you?
Somebody, mommy.
Imagine the children not eating.
If it is you, go. I wonder, will you eat legrammo stone garnished with cockroach liver salad rams?
Will you ever mind your business? What's your stress now? Oh, they're not ready. Huh?
But it's only rice and stew that I'm seeing here. Ireti, is this chicken?
Oh, don't worry me, don't mind them. It's your food, Joe. Don't mind those enemies of progress.
This is very delicious. Instead of this Ladno, Soprano, Spanish, like we are doing, if you are cooking something like this, it will be better.
Oh, don't worry me. Well, that is what you are eating now.
You mean you tricked me into eating frog for breakfast?
Oh, idea that I put frogs in the food from. Indeed, osmagus franus ramus is a Spanish delicacy cooked with frog legs. But I substituted the frog legs with chicken because I know that frog legs is an exotic, acquired taste for the initiated upper levels, civilized, refined personalities, not like some barbarians that I know.
Who are you calling barbarian? Anyway, who are you calling barbarian?
If you're a barbarian, behave like one. Can you stress that go? Good talk.
Whose side are you anyway? Who do you support? Always floating like Popo Garo. Sabo.
Hey. Ekpo Sobo. Fighter and bomber. When she called Barbaris, he called your name. Now you are fight. That means you are Barbaris. You are sure you are barbaric.
True,
you are doing like Barbaris.
Lady, please. This Manus is delicious. Please, bring some more.
Hey, oh no, worry me. At your service.
If I bring the whole pot.
Oh no, worry me. At your service.
Bring the whole pot.
At your service, so no worry me. We have left it.
And you are asking for a second round.
But it is just Manus Pranos. It's Manus Pranos.
Hey. Because whether it is Pranos Anos, because I'm a part of this.
What is this? The people don't want to eat Pranos.
Yay, Retio, me the child of an opera. Hey, me Omolomo. Hey, Chief, in fact, Chief, I want to go to US to further my education in Gateway. Yay, government class 3. Hey, Papa Raspe.
Ola, she looks like you.
Children, food is ready.
Why is this radio?
Yes, so some delicious Venezuelan hash.
Good night. Come here. What was your food? Come on, come back here and eat that. Come on, grab you. Grab you, nigga. Come back here now. What did you people eat?
Bami, remember the Motherless Baby Solidarity Day?
Yes, Bami, and we are learning to go hungry. So as to know what hungry people go through.
Yes.
My food, John.
Okay, Oluwori.
I don't want to eat. That's all right. That's my own food.
Okay.
If the children are not going to eat, okay, we have to prevent wastage.
We should buy a small cooker. At least we can cook in this flat and no one will.
That's a very good idea, but let's know how much we have left first.
Yeah.
Bero, how much do we have left? Yeah. Yeah. 6,527 naira, 60 kobo.
That's good enough now. At least we can buy a second-hand cooker.
Let's go. I'm starving.
If I conk your head there. It's okay. Let's go.
What are they cooking, Biko?
We don't know and we are not eating.
For over 3 days now, you children have not eaten anything in this house. Bolaji, what is going on?
Mommy,
It's Richard from the Froggy State. Radu, mommy loves the Froggy State. Radu, give us a story say. Daddy,
Think about it, this dish. Hey, mom, you will die because of me. Because it's not my fault that Chief loves me. And you say monada, and you know that. Hey, people, I will show you people one by one. Look at her. Yellow purple, artificial one for that matter. You want to kuro leg. If I get rid of you think it's easy. Look at them. Like mother, like children. I want to